the 30-degree Christmas tree. So I say 30-degree Christmas tree because on every single piece on this tree, all the angles are cut at 30 degrees. And it's all made from 2x1 batten, and from one 8-foot length you should be able to get 2 trees if you do the same size as mine. And every single piece was cut right here on my chop saw or my miter saw. So if you look at my crude little plan here, these 4 pieces are all the same length. From that point to that point, they're 135 millimeters. This piece is 182 millimeters from there to there. This piece is 155 millimeters from there to there. The very bottom piece is 110 millimeters from there to there. But this piece at the bottom might change with the different thickness of timber. So 2x1 can range from 25mm down to 18mm. So I'd suggest putting your tree together and then working out the size of this piece. And of course all the pieces are cut at the same angle, and that's why it's called the 30-degree Christmas tree. Because I've made quite a lot of these trees, I've put marks on the bed of my saw, so I can simply slide the timber up to the mark and cut it, so I haven't got to measure and mark each piece every time. So I'm just going to nail it together with these 40mm 18 gauge pins in my nail gun. So there we have it, a great little project for Christmas. Really easy, really simple, really cheap, really good project. The 30-degree Christmas tree. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please hit the like button And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.